Don't miss out. The recipe awaits at the video's end. The benefits of motivational chocolate. Motivational chocolate incorporates cacao, a superfood known for its high antioxidant content. Cacao is rich in magnesium, a mineral that supports muscle function and relaxation. The antioxidants in cacao help combat oxidative stress and promote overall health. Motivational chocolate often includes maca, a root with historical use for enhancing strength and energy. Maca is believed to boost stamina, making it a suitable addition to motivational products. The combination of cacao and maca creates a synergistic blend of potential benefits. The natural compounds in cacao can contribute to improved mood and enhanced motivation. Flavonols in cacao may have a positive impact on cognitive function and brain health. Maca's adaptogenic properties might help the body manage stress and increase resilience. The blend of cacao and maca provides a unique flavor profile that can be enjoyable and motivating. Dark chocolate, in particular, contains higher cacao percentages and can offer greater benefits. Consuming motivational chocolate in moderation aligns with a balanced and healthy lifestyle. The energy-boosting effects of maca could contribute to a sense of vitality and motivation. Cacao's theobromine content can provide a gentle energy lift without the jitters of caffeine. Antioxidants in cacao support cardiovascular health, aligning with an overall active lifestyle. The unique taste of motivational chocolate can provide a satisfying and indulgent treat. Maca's potential to improve brain function may enhance focus and determination. Cacao's role in releasing endorphins can contribute to a positive mindset and motivation. Motivational chocolate might be a convenient and enjoyable pre-workout snack. Flavonols in cacao may enhance blood flow, potentially aiding physical performance. The nutrients in cacao and maca align with the needs of individuals seeking motivation for exercise. Maca's traditional use as an aphrodisiac could contribute to overall feelings of vitality. Motivational chocolate could be incorporated into morning routines to kickstart the day. When combined with a healthy lifestyle, motivational chocolate can be a delicious tool for fostering motivation, energy, and positivity. The blend of cacao and maca encourages a holistic approach to motivation and well-being. Remember that individual responses to ingredients can vary, so it's a good idea to consult with a healthcare professional before making significant dietary changes or incorporating new supplements. Ingredients. Makes 8 servings. 8 cups oat milk. 1 cup raw cacao powder. 1/4 cup molasses. 2 tablespoons maca powder. 1/2 teaspoon cayenne pepper. 1/8 teaspoon ground cardamom. Recipe. Put the milk, cacao, molasses, maca, cayenne. Pour the mixture into a medium saucepan, and warm over medium heat until the liquid just reaches a simmer, warm enough to be hot chocolate. Label and date any leftover prepared drink. Store in the refrigerator and drink within 3 days. If you premix the dry ingredients, store them in a cool, dry place in a labeled, dated, airtight container for up to 1 year. To watch more videos like this, please consider subscribing, and I will see you next time.